If your weeknights feel like a race between hunger and exhaustion, and your kitchen is cluttered with appliances you barely use, this might be the one upgrade that actually changes your routine. Today, we're looking at the Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker PC201, and this isn't just another multi-cooker trying to do everything. It's designed for busy families, home cooks who want faster meals, and honestly, why anyone tired of juggling 3 or 4 different appliances just to get dinner on the table. The big promise here is simple: faster cooking, fewer dishes, and one device that replaces almost everything else sitting on your counter. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, this thing feels solid in a way that cheaper multi-cookers don't. The blue macaron finish gives it a slightly modern, less industrial look, which actually matters if it's going to live on your countertop. The pot itself is wide and shallow compared to typical pressure cookers, which makes a noticeable difference when you're cooking. You're not cramming ingredients into a narrow space. Instead, you've got a broad cooking surface that makes searing meat or sautéing onions feel more like using a proper pan. The nonstick ceramic coating is PFAS-free, which is a nice bonus if you're trying to avoid questionable materials, and more importantly, it wipes clean without a fight. Using it day to day feels surprisingly straightforward. The controls aren't overly complicated, and once you've run it once or twice, it becomes second nature. Where this cooker really stands out is speed. The HyperHeat system builds pressure faster than most standard models, and you actually notice it. Meals that would normally take an hour in a slow cooker or 30 minutes of active stovetop time get cut down significantly. Rice, for example, is ready in minutes, and it's consistent without babysitting. That alone can save a ton of time during the week. The sear and sauté function is another feature that sounds minor but ends up being a big deal. Instead of browning meat in a separate pan and then transferring it, you just do everything in the same pot. That means fewer dishes and better flavor because nothing gets lost in the transfer. It's one of those small workflow improvements that makes cooking feel less like a chore. Noise levels are pretty typical for a pressure cooker. It's not silent, but it's not disruptive either. The pressure release is controlled and doesn't feel aggressive, which is something a lot of people worry about with these types of appliances. Maintenance is also refreshingly simple. The inner pot lifts out easily, and because of the non-stick coating, cleanup is usually just a quick rinse or wipe. Even after something like a thick curry or stew, you're not scrubbing for ages. Now, it's not perfect. The size is great for families, but if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, it can feel a bit oversized. It also takes up a decent amount of counter space, so if your kitchen is already tight, that's something to consider. And while it's powerful, the learning curve with pressure cooking in general still applies. If you've never used one before, expect a couple of trial runs before you feel fully comfortable. Compared to something like the Instant Pot Duo in a similar price range, this Ninja model feels more performance-focused. It heats faster, the searing surface is noticeably better, and overall, it feels like it's built for people who actually cook regularly rather than just occasionally. On the flip side, Instant Pot models sometimes offer more preset programs or a slightly simpler interface for beginners, so it really depends on what you value more: power and speed, or simplicity. So who is this for? If you're cooking for a family, meal prepping, or just want to seriously cut down cooking time without sacrificing flavor, this is a strong option. If you barely cook or prefer very simple appliances, it might be more than you need. But for most home cooks trying to streamline their kitchen, it hits a really practical sweet spot. If you're interested, check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. And if this kind of honest, no-nonsense review helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.